I'm Dr. Wally Pearson. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and I work with Advanced Center for Orthopedics. It's almost universal in people that do overhead activities repetitively that they are going to end up with some wear and tear, if not a full thickness tear of the rotator cuff. So mechanically, over time, the cuff gets worn down and does not repair itself. So predictably, in people that do overhead activities like Mr. Aho, they are going to wear their cuff down and they're likely going to get a cuff tear. Anything that can be done for activity modification in people that have cuff pathology is significant in the recovery, but in this situation I believe it will be significant in preventing the injury and the needed surgery. I've reviewed the video of this device and it makes perfect sense. And clearly this device modifies the position of the arm in space and therefore the position of rotator cuff and therefore the position of not being impinged.